did Halloween stories on my YouTube channel, and I had a blast doing them. I had, sound effects and stuff like that. And I've come to realize that this studio, that Biltmore Soundscape Studio, it wasn't just a like a, hey, let's get rich or let's make some money kind of business idea. No, it's an idea that I've been working on for my whole life since I was a kid. Um, Listening to stories, learning to tell stories. Uh, it all connects. It all connects.